everyone. We're going to start off with some math. It may have been a while since you've done math, so this is just going to try to ease our way back to it, and it's a fun activity. So what you need to have is a pencil and like a math spiral or a composition notebook, whatever you guys have at home to work your math in. So go ahead and grab that. Pause me if you need to, okay? So on your paper, I want you to label it 1 through 8. You're going to have 8 math problems. You don't have to label it like this. You can just go straight down on your paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? You are going to try to figure me out with some clues with some math problems. My first box is my age. How old am I? So on your paper next to number 1, write 25 plus 16. That's my age. Don't tell anyone else, okay? You don't have to solve it now. You can solve it after we write all the problems. All right, so number 1, 25 plus 16, okay? Number 2, that's my birth month. That's the month that I was born in. And the problem next to number 2, write 17 minus 12. And that's my birth month number, okay? 17 minus 12. Number 3, next to number 3, write, that's my birth date. That's the day I was born in this month. Write 38 minus 23, okay? Next to number 3, write 38 minus 23, okay? Remember, you can solve all these at the end. And then also you can, if you didn't get it, you can watch it again. So next to number 4, this is how many letters in my name. Now, if you remember what my name is from my homeroom video, this should be easy. 4 times 1. If you haven't done multiplication yet, but you remember from my welcome video what my first name is, that's how many letters, okay? Number 4 is 4 times 1. Smiley face. Number 5, that is how many people are in my family at my house, okay? And the problem for number 5, write the problem, 43 minus 37. Okay, so next to number 5, write 43 minus 37. Okay. Number 6, that's how many pets I have. Okay, this symbol right here, the hashtag symbol, also means it replaces the word number. So if I ran out of space, I could do that little hashtag symbol, and that means the word number. Okay, so number 6 is how many pets I have. This one's pretty easy. 0 minus 0. Everyone should know that. Okay, so number 6 is 0 minus 0. Okay, next to number 7, that's how many books I read this summer. And the next to number 7, write the problem, 15 plus 27. 15 plus 27. That's how many books I read this summer. I read a lot of books with my daughter, Vivian. Remember, she's 10. Bennett, my 14-year-old, he doesn't want me to read to him anymore. He's too cool for that, I guess. Number 8. Next to number 8, the last problem you can solve is how many movies I watched this summer, okay? And that's 14 plus 27. Number 8, write 14 plus 27, okay? So you're going to get to solve these math problems. And then after you solve them, you go to Schoology, and there'll be a discussion post. And on there, it will have the directions. That's where you're going to write your answers. That's how I'll know you did your work, okay? So you're going to solve these and go back to Schoology and type in your answers. And the directions will be in there, okay? So don't worry about it. I'm also going to put a picture of this on Schoology in case you missed the problems, and you can also rewind. That's the great thing. So after you post your answers, I can't wait to see what they are. You're going to go to your back to school packet. You've already done the first page for jitters, okay? This is the second page. And you are going to come up with problems for your answers, okay? My name, my age, birth month, birth date, letters, people in my family, number of pets. This box, it didn't copy so well. I'm sorry, you're going to have to write it in. Books I read this summer. How many books did you read this summer? And number 8 is blank, so you can come up with your own category, or you can use mine, which was how many movies I watched this summer. We had a lot of movie nights and movie days. and picnics. Okay? So you're going to have your answers, and you have to come up with a problem to come up with your answer. So however old you are, you need to come up with a math problem to equal that number. So you're probably 8 or 9. So you need to come up with a math problem that's going to equal either 8 or 9. Okay? Does that make sense? All right. I can't wait to see how you solved me. And then you can also decorate your little self in there. All right? See you later.